Welcome, here I've got OPPO RENO 5 LITE and let me show you how to turn on and off camera shutter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let me take a photo. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and here at the second position we have shutter sound option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off. When we move back to camera and when I take another photo, we can't hear anything, and of course when we pick right corner button once again, then shutter sound, we can turn it on and hear it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.